APJ School Noida have always been improvising with teaching tools and approaches that facilitate the learning process.
HP project in APJ School Noida has empowered the students and the teachers as well. The students have been empowered through the content matter, through group discussion, and it has further enhanced the ability of self-learning. Along with the students, teachers could also interact with other learned members through the length and breadth of this great nation. Not only at national level, they have been able to interact with the teachers at international level. Throughout the project, the teachers and the students have worked very hard and they have put in their best. I compliment their efforts and congratulate them for future success as well. The students altogether have learned the use of ICT and how to enhance their cognitive ability through psychomotor domain and creativity which they get through interaction and electronic media. I wish everyone all the best.
With active association and assistance of HP, APJ School Noida integrated technology as a part of the learning process. APJ School Noida is one of the 12 schools in India who will be a part of this experimental project funded and facilitated by HP. HP has provided 32 workstations and a printer for this project.
We use them to improve the achievement of the low achievers of class 8. We took 30 students from class 8 and we incorporated the technology to improve their study pattern and to develop their interest in maths particularly. So we wanted to study that.
During this 24 months project, we have set for ourselves milestones that we intend to achieve every 6 months. The major objectives of the project are student learning, instructional practice, and systemic support.
All these things actually made me realize that maths is not that difficult if you are able to understand, and these technologies that we were made to use, they were actually more interesting than the normal classroom teaching, because in the classroom it is just on the blackboard the teacher teaches and it is not much fun. But if you are learning on the computer, it is a very different way of learning.
In the beginning, when I first began this course, I was experiencing a bit problems. My grades were not up to the mark, and I was not interested in in most of the topics that were taught to us. I used to feel that they were boring and were not introducing that interest in me.
Earlier I did not find the classroom teaching very interesting. I always thought that I was not a good scorer, but I was enrolled in this e-learning process. First I thought that they will overburden us.
But after the new methods that the teachers introduced by using these machines, and once we started accessing the internet, we used various activities to explain many concepts, mathematical concepts. Not just one or two subjects, but all of my subjects were showing a rapid increase, and my understanding was developing, and I started taking interest in the topics.
It has really benefited me. I think I can score better than what I used to score.
There are 4 projects that have been picked up for 4 terms each. Geoboard in maths, submarine as a new concept, O. Henry's famous story bestseller, and fractals, something to explore. The Geoboard, students will be introduced with the concept of perimeter, the concept of area of square and rectangle, and how the formula for area and perimeter will be derived. Students will also be introduced to how the surface area of a cube and a cuboid are calculated. Through fractals, students will investigate a range of topics including number sequences, symmetry, ratio and proportions, measurements and fractions.
I can say that all of them are very much clear about the concept of the surface area, total surface area and lateral surface area of cube and cuboid, and they can actually solve the practical problems which are given based on these concepts.
Through submarines, students will work on the history of submarines and its significance in defense capabilities of a country.
HP project, this project which is, you can say, integration of technology in our classroom teaching learning process. This was a very unique project which in my teaching career I have not yet taken up this type of project. Submarine won because it was having a very major contribution in First World War from history's point of view. So that was a very major objective from my subject point of view. Secondly, I felt the shape of submarine can give the students to think something from mathematics point of view.
Through this, students will also take a look at concepts like volume of water and speed of currents and air and its significance on the speed of submarines.
Science can also be included in terms of volume, speed of water, the wind direction and all these aspects.
I'm actually feeling more confident about myself. Teachers have started accepting me as a good mathematician, and I don't know, this is just a very great program. My parents were actually very happy because earlier I did not score very well and my report card was not too good. But after I used this program, slowly and gradually as time passed, my grades became better and my parents are very happy that now I'm able to do maths so well.
My parent reaction was pretty positive, and they felt really good that this innovative scheme, this innovative technique had developed our minds, our understandings, so that we can understand the toughest of topics, the toughest of concepts.
Gradually I came to know that it made my studies easier, as the things which were taught to us in these projects were of our syllabus only, and they were actually in the form of activities which made it more interesting, and I enjoyed doing it. This experience was a very good one and I'm not going to forget it throughout my life.
Through O. Henry's famous story bestseller, students will learn to use technology for the study of languages. Students will be taught to use the virtual tools effectively and efficiently.
I would like to thank HP because I got a lot of help in teaching from the project and the program which was initiated by a school with the help of HP. English is one subject which is very theoretical, and we usually don't take help of technology because technology, we feel as teachers, is not going to help so much. In initial stages it does, but in senior classes like 9th and 10th, we didn't realize that HP or technology would be of so much help or upgradation to us. Once we were told that we can take help of this technology, I walked to my class, I spoke with them, I discussed with them, and children were so enthusiastic. They gave me so many beautiful ideas, and to my wonder, they came up with such innovative ideas that I couldn't have dreamt of. We picked up a story by O. Henry and we decided to have a program on that.
मंजिल पे जिन्हें जाना है वो शिकवा नहीं करते, शिकवा जो करते हैं वो पहुंचा नहीं करते। खुशी कभी गम, कभी खुशी कभी गम, जीवन में दोनों है संग, तुम जो इसमें जीना सीखो, भर जाए जीवन में रंग, हो कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Purity, patience, and perseverance are the three essentials to success. Every relation is God's creation, every moment of life is celebration.
Soaring high.